Hello, this is Online Queues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how to add location in your Snapchat story. First thing first, open up the Snapchat app. Click a picture and then tap on stickers icon. If you do not see the location option that you can use, you might have to give location access to Snapchat app. In order to do that, tap on Settings. Then select Apps and Notifications. Go to App Permissions. Go to Location, find Snapchat and toggle it on. Now reopen the Snapchat app to see if you can use the location sticker or not. If not, then the location on your mobile phone might be off. Turn it on from the settings. Now you can add location in your Snapchat story. Tap on it once to change the design. This is how you can add a location in your Snapchat story. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.